I'm going to show you the easiest way to go about storefront stalking. As I often say, storefront stalking is not a beginner strategy to find products. It's not the most easy, it's not the easiest strategy to find product. It is something that you absolutely need to do, that you are absolutely going to need to do if you want to learn how to actually sell on Amazon, what products are selling on Amazon. But when you start, it's not the strategy that you are going to find the most leads with. And if you are just jumping with this video and you haven't watched previous videos from the previous days, go ahead and watch the videos from the previous days, all right? Because this video is a follow-up to all the videos that I've been reading for the last 3-4 days. It is going to go back, we are going to go back to the whiteboard once again, look at our land of opportunity on which we found a couple of sales, all right? We found 5 sales, we spent 3 hours looking at those sales, and 1 sale was actually a winner, and I clicked on the wrong space, right there. Okay, so this sale was actually a winner and we were able to make $50 by working on that. But $50 in 3 hours is not a lot, but we were able with multiple other strategies to turn these $50 into, I think we were at around $800 with just 1 sale, $800 of profit. All right, so it's already worth a little bit more of our time, but now we are going to look at a strategy. We are going to look at storefront stalking and how we can actually, make more money, turn these $800 into potentially $1,000 in profit. All right, yes, my drawing is super bad. All right, $1,000 in profit just with 3 hours of work and a little bit of follow-up work, 10-20 minutes, or we are going to be able to turn those $800 into $1,000. All right, with just a few minutes more of work. Now, if you are new here or you do not know me, my name is Mangunza. Nice to meet you. I'm glad that you're here. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon. So if you are serious about learning how to sell on Amazon, you should be subscribed already. If you are not, it tells me a lot about you, not about me. So yeah. Subscribe, like this video so you can recommend more videos. If you need more help, I offer coaching. There's a link in the description that teach you all about the coaching programs that I do, all right? So yeah, check the link in the description. I'm not going to spend too much time on that today, all right? So as I said, we are going to look at storefront stalking. And so the product that we were looking at is this, Mortal Kombat 1 on PS5, okay? And we were assuming that we were able to get it at $20 on a sale at Target, which is not the case, by the way. It's just an hypothetical example, all right? So by the way, once again, I will add it once again. If you want me to beat your ass in Mortal Kombat 1, I'll be more than happy to do it. Just send me a DM on Instagram. My Instagram is going to shop right there. Perfect timing. My Instagram is going to shop in a few. All right, next slide. All right, so how are we going to turn this lead and try to find adjacent lead with storefront stalking? It's pretty easy, so I just said everything. We are going to try to look for adjacent leads. What are adjacent leads? Adjacent leads are leads that potentially comes from the same sale, all right, from the same sales, and we are going to do some storefront stalking with some intention, with an intention on finding leads that are potentially sourced from the same exact place, right? This is the easiest way to find some profitable on an arbitrage leads doing some storefront stalking, because a lot of you guys, when you're doing storefront stalking, you are just starting randomly. You're just doing some storefront stalking. Let me open another Amazon page. Here we go. So you are just starting because you followed a really dumb advice to start from great value product, all right? I said it over and over. It's not a great place to start. Okay, so you're going to start sourcing from this product. You're going to start doing some storefront stalking. This is a trash ass lead. You're going to start looking for, you are going to start storefront stalking. This guy, you're not going to find shit, all right? Because this is a trash ass seller, more than likely. He's selling on a generic listing. A lot of random products, you're not going to find shit because you do not know where you're sourcing from, all right? Now, the reason why we want to start doing some storefront stalking on this specific ASIN is because we know where to get this product. We know that this guy, so thumbs up this, which is this guy, is potentially, if we found the same exact product on Target, and we know that it's a product that we can buy over and over again every other month whenever it goes back on sale. It's not, by the way, this product is not, it's just an example. We know that if he's buying stuff at Target, if he bought this at Target, he probably buys other stuff from this specific sale. He potentially has multiple leads from that specific sale. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to a storefront, okay? We are going to go to a storefront with the specific intention to either find products from the sale that we've been sourcing, other products from the sale that we've been sourcing, or products from the same category or from other sources for those products, all right? Other products that comes from other sources where he may be sourcing as well, right? So we've been sourcing, this is a video game and it was on a video game sale on target.com. So what we are going to do is we are going to narrow down what we are actually looking at on his storefront. And so we saw that we can see that he has 3 video games in his storefront. He actually has more than that, but some of them may be listed in the toys category. He has more than that. That's some bullshit. Yeah, he has way more than that. I don't know what's going on here with SellerAmp. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He has actually at least 5. So, and video games. Yeah. So something is wrong with SellerAmp on this specific storefront with the video game category. But, we can see that we can find, so a dumb way to do it would be to look at every single one product of a storefront because you are new, you have no idea where to find Adidas shoes for cheap or New Balance shoes for cheap and make them profitable. You have no idea. And so you're going to be looking all around the web to find products that you have no idea about instead of focusing on the products that you could potentially find because you've been sourcing that specific sale. And so what I would do is I would open all these products, everything that is video game. Here we go. By clicking here. And easiest way to do it is you can click right there on SellerAmp and it's going to open them all. Like it's going to sort the whole storefront to just return video games to you. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 video games to look at. Something is wrong with SellerAmp right there, and we are going to do this for multiple sellers. All right, and of course, if you think that it's a great seller, you should take note of that specific storefront. So we're going to look at this guy, which is Game Outlet, which can make sense, and Growing Vision. All right, and we're going to do the exact same thing with these 2 guys' storefront. Right, so. Here we go, more video games, Hogwarts Legacy, Sonic Superstar, FC24. And we are going to look at all those products and try to see if we can find them, because if they've been sourcing from the same source as us, we can potentially find those products on that specific source, right? And instead of being, and this is the main issue with a lot of you guys, when you are sourcing, you are all over the place. You are looking at everything. You are spending, like you are just all over the place and you do not focus on, you need to focus on one thing at a time, all right? So easiest way to actually get some success doing some storefront stalking is starting from a product that you already know, that you've been sourcing. And in this case, it's actually a product, it's actually a sale, a product from a sale that we've been, if you go back to the first video, a sale that we actually tracked, right? A sale that we actually tracked, that we were able to find more products in. We were able to find more products on this sale and make this sale bigger, like this opportunity bigger for us. And now we are making it even bigger. We are still working on making it, let me just authorize this. We are still working on making this sale bigger, this opportunity bigger and bigger. And all this started from us working with the target list and starting from one specific sale, okay? And this is the big thing that I want you guys to understand. You can see, or you can find, or you can turn one sale that made you $50 in profit into potentially right now we should be at around $1,000 in profit if we do this all the time with this specific sale. If we keep working that sale, okay? It's stay on your lane, keep working with that specific opportunity that you find, and just try to make this opportunity bigger as much as you can, because the initial work, the thing that is going to take the most time is going to be testing, okay? It's going to be finding your lane of opportunity and looking at all those sales, one by one. Once you've looked at all those sales one by one and you found one that is, and why is it? Let me just refresh this. Here we go. Once you've looked at all those sales, right, and that you found one that is profitable, what a lot of you guys do is you guys actually go back and try to you look at other sales and you're trying to find another sale, and you spend another 3 hours looking at sales to find another sale that is going to be profitable. This initial step is going to take you around 3 hours, right? Even more than that. It's just an example. And instead of like trying to work more, trying to exploit this specific sale that you found, that you made a profit of, instead of trying to exploit it as much as you can, you are going to spend 3 extra hours finding another loop, finding another sale. No, this is really a dumb way to do this. This is not the way you want to go about running this business. You want to exploit this as much as you can, and then you go ahead and do some other research to actually find something else. But those 3 hours of work that you're going to do at the beginning, all the extra steps are going to take maybe 10 minutes, 1 hour, and it's just going to be something that you're going to be able to source over and over again. So become an expert with that sale, with all those strategy, okay, of that opportunity. Really try to understand this opportunity and everything that you can find in it. Do not do this and actually go, once you've exploited this sale as much as you can, go to the next one, okay? That's it. That's the strategy. And tomorrow we are going to look at another strategy to exploit this sale potentially even more. All right. So hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully you like this series. If you do, let me know in the comments. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. So thank you for watching. Like, do all that YouTube stuff. I'll see you tomorrow.